Epic Weapons Frostmourne, fresh out of the box. Been in storage for a long time. There's a dog barking in the background. Anyway, there's the insignia, the runes, and of course the hilt. You can see some minor imperfections in the coating there on the hilt. Leather wrapped. There's your pommel. Again, this has never been hung. It is brand new, many years old. On the box it does say, I think 2007, 2008. Here's all the packaging over here. There's our display plaques, pretty heavy, pretty massive. There's your G2G reader, still wrapped in plastic. And here's the box. Has a couple of tears in it, looks like. A couple of dings. Does come nicely packaged in the styrofoam. And double boxed. That one. Front and back styrofoam. Alright, we'll do one more glance at the Frostmourne. I'm not going to go to the back side, but as you can see, it is massive. Weighs something in the neighborhood of 16 pounds. Again, there's your close-up of the insignia, the runes, overall blade. Alright, and we'll back up and take one last look at it. There you have it. Epic Weapons Frostmourne. Pretty kick-ass.